iziyasho ukuthi noshembe you can't wear isambatho sakashembe while you are gay into ayishoyo ngizwa real akusiyo. Can you wear as a CC uniform while you are gay? Have you ever seen a gay as a CC when? Angazi guys khulumani kuma comment mina ngizange ngabona umuntu ezasisi yathi thalade yakagobha to azange
yaphuma uMatoZet wabo ukuthi hayi mina ngisafuna ukuba yi-after 9 sengifuna ukuba yi-gay straight angithola izinto ezikanje.
After 9 yini
Umuntu bomthola bathi after 9 maybe ngabujampasi
ungakhuluma umuntu okayazi hlala futhi uthi into engikhinya uthi kudala marozalo ngo-2005.
When you mean ukuthi kasi you mean imi-trend as a whole?
Imi-trend bothembisa angithi ambrose ba into eyi-1 phela uma ngethembisa ngijampa istrata yeah. Maybe that's why even uNkulunkulu angafuni ukuya emhlabeni yonke into yakhe igucukile yonke into ayiplanile ngalo mhlaba igucukile ayisekho le nto le bathe uyakuya nge-22 uhlulekile amavili aphunchile asasedayideke cabanga ube the first punch angangidluli nasesivulweni second punch after igarage asedayideke asemhedeni
Bunayo wena
third punch niyazi kwenzakaleni mabambona drive i-Uber bathi i-generation ayibhadali saka-drive ama-Uber nanguwile jikijiki umntana bani sekasikolweni sekasindwa imali South Africa iyahlala
hayi abazi ukuthi bafunani labantu labo umuntu makafocus ku-acting nje kuphela i-career yakhe iwa abephuwa nakhuluma umuntu makafocus ku-career yakhe nelentuzane namabhizinisi wakhe ngaphandle nakhuluma umuntu makafocus
akwenza umfana onama-feelings abafana kanjani bekangayazi lento ayenzayo that's what are saying to uNkulunkulu bekangayazi into ayenzayo nina senayazi nayazi into ayenzayo
suka emhlabeni ayale like ambonanga uJob ebekala emhlabeni
uJob angithi ukuthumela uNkulunkulu emhlabeni
okay
uyamthola maqeda amblessa ngezinto ngeimoto ngumfazi yonke into so sathana athile uJob umnike yonke into umblessile lapha uyazinjaya manje inkinga ukuthi ukukhohliwe mara ngayenza iplan ukuthi wena akukhumbule futhi ila uNkulunkulu avuma ukuthi awuyenze leyo plan leyo ila ngibona khona ukuthi kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu noSathane bayisebenzisana nina nibhizi niye church nokuthi fire Satan